Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to this another video tutorial onto my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the how you can describe the comments from TikTok videos. So I have two videos URLs, and these are two videos from TikTok. I've shared random from TikTok account. I am from Pakistan, and I am using Pakistani TikTok version. So here are the lot of videos related to UC, related to cricket, and all stuff about Pakistan and Pakistani culture. So your country, your location matters. So first thing, most important, you need to log in to your Instagram TikTok account before start scraper because it's not a API based solution, not scraping through cookies session. You cannot do it's a TikTok. It's a highly paid website, and they have a very huge amount of very highly upgraded servers. So what how we can scrape data? We simply run an automation. We scrap the data by downloading the source code through the inspect element. Okay, so please make sure you already log into your TikTok account. And here is the thing. Now I will run there. The data will be saved into the JSON file, and I will show you the JSON file later in that video after scraping. So I'm gonna run this script. Okay, so I'm on the same profile. I already log in, and I leave my mouse. Now you will see how it start working, how it's work, and start scraping data. You see it start working, and then switch to next video. What it doing, it's simply pressing tab buttons, and run the scroller, because the main stuff is the scroller. You need to scroll things, you need to scroll down from top to bottom of the screen, and then able to get all comments or the maximum amount of comments. So this is such a demonstration. Now the video, the scraping was done because it stopped working. I'm not add any further functionality, and here is it, the 10 comments. You will see the comments print the details on the terminal window, and this is the JSON file. Okay, so this is, you see, username Qurban Baloch, and his TikTok profile, and its comments related to the Pakistani cricketer Shahid Afridi, and likes, hearts, replies, date, time of the comment, and the video URL. So you will see when we click on this link, and I'm gonna paste this. I will get a valid profile of this the user who comment on that video. Okay, so there is it, there is the way forward. You can scrap huge amount of comments from the video. Inshallah, with the passage of time, I'll add the further functionality into this amazing scraper depending on how what is the demand of my user. And I understand you guys really need that stuff, so I mentioned my links in the description. And if you want me to build more effective tutorials related to web scraping, especially to the social media scraping, then please kindly follow and subscribe me on my YouTube channel. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Allah Hafiz.